Machine learning comes in three distinct types. Each type suits different kinds of business problems. Knowing which type fits your specific challenge helps you plan AI projects more effectively and communicate better with technical teams. Supervised learning uses labeled examples to train the system. You show the computer inputs paired with correct outputs. It learns the relationship between them. Then it can predict correct outputs for new inputs it has never seen before. Business examples include predicting which customers will churn, classifying emails as spam or legitimate, and forecasting future sales volumes. You have historical data clearly showing what actually happened. The system learns from proven outcomes. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns in data without labeled answers provided. You give the system raw data and ask it to discover meaningful structure on its own. No correct answers are given in advance. Customer segmentation commonly uses unsupervised learning. The system discovers natural customer groups you did not know existed. It finds patterns and relationships that humans might never spot when analyzing complex, multidimensional datasets manually. Reinforcement learning trains systems through trial and error with reward signals. The system experiments with different actions. It receives rewards for good outcomes and penalties for bad ones. Over time, it learns optimal behavior patterns. Match the learning type to your specific problem. Have labeled historical outcomes. Use supervised learning. Seeking hidden patterns without labels. Use unsupervised learning. Optimizing sequential decisions over time. Reinforcement learning applies best. You understand machine learning types. Next video explores statistical learning and pattern recognition, the mathematical foundations that make machine learning actually work.